The High Court has approved an interim settlement of almost €1 million for an 11-year-old girl whose life expectancy has been shortened after being operated on using uncertified springs at Temple Street Children's Hospital. The settlement of €950,000 is the first to be approved by the court following the disclosure that unapproved implantable springs were used in spinal surgery by a surgeon at the hospital.
Stephen Lannan said his now 11-year-old daughter deserved so much better. The court heard Nellie Lannan was born with a neuromuscular disorder called spinal muscular atrophy type 1. Her life expectancy was improved by a new drug, but she needed surgery for a condition called kyphosis, which causes the spine to curve forward, affecting her breathing. The court was told the family were referred to surgeon Conor Green. Senior counsel Jonathan Kilfeather said Mr Green recommended what was described to the Lannans as experimental surgery. In October 2020, when Nellie was 5, rods were inserted on either side of her spine and attached to her pelvis. Mr Kilfeather said the surgeon made use of a spring system which was not a certified system. 5 days later, Nellie had to have another surgery when it was discovered her pelvis had been shattered, leaving her in excruciating pain. Between 2020 and 2023, she had 15 surgeries following repeated infections and metal rods protruding from her body at various times. The court was told an expert on behalf of the family reported that it was entirely unreasonable to perform surgery using this system, and Nellie should have had a different type of surgery. However, her condition has worsened, and medical teams in London and in Dublin now believe the risks to her health are too high to perform the alternative operation. Her father said the negligence of Children's Health Ireland had robbed Nellie of her only chance to get the proper surgery.
Our most recent visit with an orthopaedic surgeon, they told us that Nellie's life will be severely curtailed and her quality of life will be worse as a result of it. So it's great. It's going to help us look after her. But at the same time, we're obviously very angry that she's missed her opportunity to have the correct surgery. Her kyphosis is very severe. So, there's no way we can correct that now.
The settlement includes Nellie's care for the next 2 years. Her family will have to come back to court in 2028. Orla O'Donnell, RTE News, the High Court.